Hey, Maddie. You want to give him your book?
You found her book?
Yep.
Go hand that to him, honey, so he can sign it.
He can sign it for you. Oh, you want him to go with you on a ride? M-A-D-D-I-E. Oops. Your brother has the camera. Had the camera.
It's right there. Am I supposed to be shooting?
Yeah. You know, it's not a Murphy outing unless there's 8,000 pictures from everyone.
All angles? Yes.
Do you see your name, Maddie? Do you see your name? He's posing. Maddie, can you say thank you and give him a hug? No, we're done being... She's like, people are playing with my toys, yo. Maddie, he's got your book. What do you say? Yay. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, he signed your book, huh? Go get that tail, Logan. Go get that tail. Is he a silly bear? One more hug, Logan? One more hug? A big birthday hug? Oh. Nope. I love you. Oh. That's special. All right. Go Bears.
Yeah.
Yeah.